Hello, Hoffman Hawks. I hope you had a wonderful spring break. I know it's Tuesday, but it's still early in the week. So, thank you for everyone who tried that puzzle, trying to figure out that binary code and what the parachute meant. So, I've got the solution. If you look at the inner circle first, and we follow this white, almost like an arrow down here, this is where we start. And so this section was D, then A, R, E. So that first word, dare. Then we follow the white to the next ring, and the word is mighty. Then we follow this white section to the next ring, and it's the word things. So the motto of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory is Dare Mighty Things. They put their motto in code in the parachute. Dare Mighty Things is their motto because it means that they're trying to do things that people think it's impossible. There's no way. And they're doing those mighty things. They dare to do them. And this is a good dare. Now, if you look on the outside of the parachute, we've got something else going on. So, this W and numbers, N and numbers, well, that is the GPS coordinates, the latitude and longitude that take you, well, let's look. We'll go over here to Google Maps, and I've got those coordinates. Let's see where it takes us. All right, if you look right here, Los Angeles County Fire Department, JPL Troop. Wait a second. Let's go in and look. Oh, isn't this interesting? Here, we can go over here, but that's people's homes. So let's navigate over here. And you see what is right there? The Jet Propulsion Laboratory. So these are the coordinates for JPL. So it takes you right to where they are on Earth, the people controlling the rover. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm glad that some of you tried that and some of you guessed at it. I love that you're at least trying to think about those things. Now, this week we are, and I don't like that view, I'm going to fix it. All right, so we're going to be learning about a different type of engineering. Now, you might not realize that we've been doing computer engineering for quite a while. That video game design, that was all computer engineering. Engineering, we usually think is like working with our hands or building things. Well, you were building things for sure. You were building your game. But now we're going to switch to another type of engineering. It's kind of cool. Fourth and fifth grade get two types of engineering each year. So, my question for you is, what is manufacturing engineering? So I want you to think about what that could be. But I also have some hints for you. So I'm going to show you 9 different pictures. They all have to do with manufacturing engineering. And then you're going to tell me, you're going to submit an assignment today to tell me what you think manufacturing engineering is. So let's take a few seconds to look at those pictures. All right, so I gave you a few seconds to look at each of those pictures, see what you could notice. If you want to pause this video and go back and look at any of them, you're welcome to. But I'm also going to have you, there's going to be a link like this down below this video so that you can answer, describe what you think manufacturing engineering is. So you've seen some pictures. Now I want you to put some words together and come up with your ideas. Now I will tell you there is one, well, at least that I can think of, there's one wrong answer. I don't want you to get the wrong answer, so I'm going to tell you the wrong answer so you can tell me a correct answer. The wrong answer is I don't know. It is so much better with this to try and think. It's almost impossible to be wrong unless you got really silly, which I know that you take school seriously, or at least you're taking this seriously with me. And so put in an answer. It could have just a few words. I would love complete sentences. I believe communicating is important. So the more you practice typing with a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence, a period at the end, that way you just keep practicing with your brain those good techniques for writing, and then it starts to seem easy and normal. So write a sentence or two telling me what you think or how you would describe manufacturing engineering by those pictures you saw. The link is down below, and I will be looking at your answers tonight and talking about them a little bit tomorrow.